Hello, it's Ben Cooper here from Berthon. I'm here to tell you all about INO, which is the very modified HH42. We'll learn all about it in the video in a short while.
We'll start the tour of INO walking along the dock. She originally was an HH42, but in her current ownership there's been many optimisations for inshore and now further optimisations for offshore as well. We've got a longer bowsprit, deeper keel, taller rig, and now twin rudders, and a lot of waterproofing has gone on through the boat. The HH42 is a very ergonomic cockpit. We have the pedestal now at the back. The primary winches are inset into the boat and makes trimming a lot easier, and also with the leeward mainsheet winch clutched means you can fly 3 sails at the front. She does have a strength drop system for inshore, and offshore the forward hatch is watertight with a pneumatic seal. Together with, you saw there, the hard cover over the companionway to keep any water out. Now we're going inside. The HH42 originally came with a kind of interior, a moulded carbon interior. This has been removed as a weight study, and an additional ring frame has been put in there in the bow. She's being packed at the moment, off on the way to Malta for the Middle Sea race, hence the amount of kit inside. All the kit comes with the boat, including the life jackets, wet weather gear. You see there's the toilet. It's not plugged in, but it could be quite easily. Hydraulics have been removed from the boat. You saw there at the bottom of the mast the relay for the deflectors there. There is a jet boil system for hot water if you wish. There's also a hot water tank fitted inside the boat. This is rather like a quokka, a boiling water tap, so it makes life a lot easier offshore. A backup GPS chart plotter is under the companionway there. The main system is a laptop with a screen on deck. A nice little feature on the boat is a on-deck water tap, which you'll see in a second. The office-style cooler bottles are kept in the centre line of the boat with a pump up onto deck, which means you can fill water bottles on deck and keep all the weight of the water in the centre line. And here you can see the water tap, the hot water tap as I mentioned earlier, for freeze-dry food or hot drinks.